Hey, 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 hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, what's up? My name is Mimi, it's mighty incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little old me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe for my oldies but goodies. Y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Hey y'all, so as you can see from the title, we are going to do heatless curls using Curlformers. Alright, so here are the Curlformers. I'm going to use the pink ones and the orange ones. Alright y'all, and the product that I'm going to use is the Yall Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse for dry and curly hair types. This is how it looks. Okay, and this will be my first time using this product, so I'm excited to see how my Curlformers results turn out. Alright, so my hair is already freshly washed. I washed it about 2 days ago and I got it in these twists right here. So I just have in a leave-in. It is the Camille Rose Coconut Water leave-in, and that's about it. Hopefully it goes well with this mousse and it don't flake. Alright y'all, so let's take out this thing right here. Oh, of course, we're going to use my aloe vera water because I have to do this on dampened hair according to the directions. Just to do it on dampened hair. So we're gonna do it how it tells you to do it. Alright, you know what, put this right here. Alright, okay. I also learned with Curlformers when I did it the first couple of times. It's best when you do it in small sections because you know they tend to get stuck if you do them in bigger sections. So I'm gonna put this into 2 actually. Alright. Get these clips going. Get this small clip right here. Hold on, I can't even see. The light's so bright. Alright, we'll just use this. Okay, so I'm gonna moisten it. Come on. Just a little bit. Let's detangle it. Well, my hair's already detangled. So, and let's put some mousse. Losing everything, losing everything. 1 pump. I guess you could put like 1 because that section is not too big. Why did I just, you know what? Okay, it smells good. Let me put 1 more pump up on this section. Alright. This is the consistency of it, a normal mousse. Hope it comes out good, y'all. I don't know which way this video is gonna go, but we are recording it anyway. Well, I'm recording it for y'all. Okay, so let me get a Curlformer. We got the Curlformer. Okay, just push the stick through it on this opening. This is not a tutorial, I'm just showing y'all how I'm gonna get these heatless curls. But while you know I'm here trying this out for y'all, you might as well. Okay, So you see like this opening right here? We're gonna put the hair in that opening, okay? So I'm gonna just grab my hair on the top, as you can see, move a little bit closer, and then put the hook. All right, and then we're gonna push this up, let that hair go, hold the opening, and pull the hair through, and then it's gonna automatically do that. That's it. If you feel it's a little bit snug, just hold the top and loosen it down. Well, hold the top and put it down a little bit if it's too tight on your root. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing to this one right here. Y'all already know. We're gonna wet it, dampen that sucker. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Put the mousse, 2 pumps. I forgot to comb it. It's never too late to comb it. Okay, you gotta make sure everything is nice and detangled before you put these Curlformers, because who wants detangled hair? Not me. I'm putting the next one. I don't put it in no particular order, you know, orange, pink. I just grab whichever. So again, you have to put it in, right? Take this hook, put the hair in it. Okay, hold the hair up. Hold the hair up. Let me make sure the hair is in. Okay, all the hair is in. Hold it. Hold the sides of this. And then pull the hair nicely through. And it's gonna automatically just go like that. So that's pretty much it, y'all. That's my little tutorial. You know, a little bit of my hair is out right there. We'll just push that in. Y'all don't want them ends to be out either. So what I'm gonna do is slide it down a little bit so my ends could stay in the Curlformer. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So I'm gonna do everything else off camera. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's a new day. It's actually the next day. I put these in last night. I supposed to have came back when I had them on in my hair, but I was very, very, very tired. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just show y'all my hair today, which is the takedown day. All right, and also y'all, I have Curlformers dupes in my hair, and I have the actual original Curlformers in my hair. The actual Curlformers, the originals, they are about 35 centimeters long. I used to maybe about 4 or 6 of them, but the Curlformers dupes, they are about 50 to 55 centimeters long, and I used the majority in my hair. And when I first did this hairstyle, maybe like a year and a half ago, I used just the Curlformers, but I tried doing that this time and my hair has grown tremendously. So I will show y'all what I'm talking about as I take these down. So all right, enough of that, let's get down to the takedown. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all a Curlformers dupe. This is a Curlformers dupe, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all how to take it out. So this piece, can y'all see? We gonna, no, you can't see it. Before I take it out, we're gonna squeeze this and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and bam. Oh, did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right, and this is a Curlformers dupe, and I'm gonna show you an actual Curlformers. This is an actual Curlformer. and this is the dupe. This one is thinner than this one, and the color is different. See, the color is different. This one is way, the Curlformer is way shorter, and the width of the Curlformer dupe is a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Let me see, can y'all see that on camera? Should be able to right here. See, it's just a little bit. The top one is the Curlformer. It's a Curlformer dupe, and the bottom one is the Curlformers. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Let's finish taking these down. Ooh, I'll take down one more, and then I'm gonna take down the rest off camera. All right, again, just hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. This is magic. Boom! I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. All right. So, I'm going to take the rest down off camera because y'all don't need to see me take this down. This video's already, I don't want it to get long, all right? I tend to talk, so I'll be back. Hey, y'all. Hey, what's up? It's me, little me. Yes, y'all, look at this hair. I know that y'all see it. Oh, my gosh. It's so soft, so shiny. See the bounce back? Do you see the bounce back? Like, oh my gosh. Movement all up in my hair. Stiff wear. Almost lost the glasses. Stiff wear, y'all. And y'all, this leave-in is so moisturizing. This mousse, you know, it's a mousse. I used it once. My hair don't feel dry. It feels moisturized. I'm not sure if it's from the Camille Rose product or if it's because this has the barbell suit oil in it. I'm not sure, but I know together they work great in my hair. And it's my first time using this. And I would definitely use it again. Y'all see my results. Y'all see my results. And I'm so happy I have tried this product again. Well, not this product, but the Curlformers again in my hair. Well, the dupes. And again, y'all, with the Curlformers and the Curlformers dupes, you will lose some hair. I probably lost about 10 strands of hair, probably from how I have put it in the sleeve or when I took it out. I'm just being honest. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Let me know in the comment section below if you ever use these Curlformers or the Curlformers dupes. I think I paid about $30-something for a bag of 40 dupes. This is the bag that the dupes had came in. All right, and the Curlformers was actually gifted to me. And these was like $70-something or whatever, but you do the math. You buy what you want to buy, but like I said, the majority of my head had the Curlformers dupe in it. I think the name brand was Magic Leverage, if I'm not mistaken. I have bought them from eBay. eBay. Well, whichever store. I'm not sure which store it was. eBay. Anyway. If I find the exact website where I got the Curlformers dupe from, I will definitely put it in the description box below. And I think that's about it. Oh, you want to see some more of my hair before I leave? Here's all the back. Here's all the back. And here's the other side. The other side. All right, y'all. Y'all see that? Ooh. All right. So, I think that is about it, y'all. As always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses, boo.